And here we have Phoebe, an African Senegal parrot. She's super cute. She's my father-in-law's. We're just over here for a visit. Can I give you a head scratch? Yeah? She's usually very bitey, but with me, she seems to approve of the head scratches. Hopefully I can have her out on my shoulder later. That would be fun. She sure is pretty. Hello! What do? What do, Phoebe? What do? Her swing is definitely her favorite toy when she gets going. It's very cute. Hello! She's a sweetie. Oh, she wants your watch.
She loves my watch.
Yes. It's her true love. Isn't that right, Phoebe? Hello!
Watch is more interesting than perch.
Oh, this is exciting. Hello, Phoebe. Oh, she loves the head scratches.
What you doing, Phoebe? What you doing?
What you doing? What do?
What doing?
What do? Oh, she's cute.
She's so pretty.
She's beautiful. Oh, that is so amazing. Oh, look at that. Oh.
I haven't been able to pet her like this before.
Yeah. Usually she didn't like you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hi. Do you think she'll let me?
Probably.
Oh my goodness, I could never do that either at the beginning. When we first met, I was a bite toy. I was a toy for biting. But I'm glad we've gotten a better introduction, eh, Phoebe? If I move in, will she step up? Or will you bite me?
Let's try. Maybe. Step up, Phoebe.
Step up. Step up.
Step up.
Oh, I guess not. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
I guess you take after your dad, so she likes you.
There's no telling when she's gonna poop. She's gonna put a nice big turd on my shirt.
We do have a cloth which is underneath.
Are you gonna poop on the hubby, Phoebe? Oh,
I could.
you look very sophisticated. Oh,
She's gone. She's like, no, I like my house better.
apparently.
Probably do give her.
Oh, she's on me. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Hi, Phoebe. What you doing? I'm glad that you've gone onto my shoulder. Oh,
Probably left it in the truck.
that you approve.
Hey Siri, Phonecaster, lead.
Oh, she likes my
That's what she
bracelet,
wants,
the shiny. It's like your watch.
We'll go in the other shoulder.
Sweet.
There you go, Phoebe. There you go. Oops.
Rejection.
Remember?
Don't worry, I have
I
bracelet.
put my watch on your shoulder, she'll definitely stay there.
Yes.
Yeah, of course you're welcome. Yeah, that's no problem.
All I need is a pirate hat, and I'm perfect for Comic-Con. This is so freaking cool. Like, I don't know anyone else. that
Wasn't
has
Singy saying
parrots
someone
like
at
this.
Comic Con had a parrot on their shoulders?
I think
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is the
Melana said that.
coolest.
Somebody
Oh,
at
yeah,
Comic-Con had a parrot on it.
Like a real parrot.
Like a real parrot, yeah.
Oh, Phoebe's a sweetie. She likes my bracelet, apparently. Do you want?
Oh, totally.
Phoebe.
But that being said, I will say, I remember
She likes.
one time in Calgary, there was some dude just biting, and he just had his
trust
parrot just on his parakeet. It was like a parakeet, actually.
Oh. She's on her swing, swing. Oh, she loves it. I remember coming like a while back, and like that's all she does, and it's like I'm scared she's like gonna fly off because she'll
she's
get
very
super.
vigorous. It's not a gentle swing at all.
No.
Like she leans into every swing, right, from side to side.
I'm sure if you gave her like a bigger swing and
Phoebe.
more like swing capability, she'd be like reaching the
She's
roof.
trying to go over the bar.
Oh my gosh. This is such a cute angle because her head keeps coming towards the camera so it gets big
Oh
like
my
every
gosh.
couple seconds.
You can like zoom in.
Oh my goodness. Oh, she's amazing. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi, Phoebe.
What is that stance? You got nothing.
It's
that
the
you're
acrobatic
doing.
stance.
She looks like one of those like ribbon people
Yes.
that do like those dances. She's like holding on to nothing.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Quite the acrobat.
Yeah.
Holy.
We're getting the full Phoebe entertainment. Can I give you one more head scratch?
Mm-hmm.
Part
One more?
acrobat, part clown.
Oh, there we go. One more good head scratch. Leave a good impression on you for our meeting, eh, Phoebe?
She's like,
Oh, there we
I
go.
suppose the head scratches are nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
I imagine it gets kind of itchy up there.
Hello. Yeah. There we go. Oh my goodness. So
for your bath?
there's a little bath set up.
Go into it.
She knows.
She kind of perked up at the sight of it.
Oh.
Come on, Phoebe. Okay, she can make her way up there.
Oh my gosh, I want to see. Phoebe, are you going to go for the bath?
You can't go through the bars. No, there's physics. Physics. are
You need
things.
to go through the
Waiting
door.
for the coast to be clear.
Look like this. Use that brain.
Come on. Yeah, she still thinks she can get through the top bars. That's funny. Don't worry, the door's right there, Phoebe. You got this. Just go out. Go out the open. She did it. It's very amazing how they use their beak to climb. Like it's a third almost appendage, like a
Yeah,
hand. It's
yeah.
wild.
Like how monkeys use a tail
Yeah.
kind of a thing. It's like that, ambidextrous. Yeah.
Yeah. Like imagine if humans used a head like that.
You did it.
Now you get the bag.
She's like, oh my gosh, it's my favorite thing.
Oh, she's gonna
Oh.
love it. Oh.
Where did you guys find that?
Yeah.
Amazon.
Really?
Oh, that's
Oh my
awesome.
gosh.
Oh, she makes a mess. Too.
That's okay.
She splashes everywhere.
It's
Oh
literally
my
like a
gosh.
little shower, but
She
for
is
your
spoiled.
bird.
You guys spoil her.
She has a toy, a fork.
Yeah, there's a fork and a plate in there. I
That's
think.
cute.
Yeah, she's making house.
Hi.
Drop it on the floor, Phoebe. See if someone will pick it up for you. She's got a strange well.
To my fitting peasant.
She dropped it all right. Oh,
That is too freaking cute.
I love how it's literally a mini shower for
The fact
her.
that it has like running
Yeah.
water makes it even cooler.
It's so cute. Oh, well,
Want the dishes.
no dishes for you. First the fork and now the plate. Where are you going? Being adventurous.
Sure, we can do it. No, the other one. Yeah, just check. I usually get the long one.
It's her grapes.
Oh.
Ah. But this one's fun because it floats.
Honey, we have olives, right?
Ah.
For my team?
Not really that kind. You just have a big flower.
Oh yes, bite at the nozzle, Phoebe. Such good entertainment. She's so inquisitive. Oh my gosh, everything is like for biting and testing.
Yeah. I think she tasted the tongue.
Mm-hmm.
What is 12 Ozo?
Oh, she's still going after the grapes.
Casper's getting gin. So
Cassie's drinking gin.
it's a licorice. It's
I think that's
a licorice
Oh,
is it green?
shot, like a
no to the plate?
this little shot.
I just picked it up and
Oh,
gave it
it's
again.
the-
No to the plate?
Oh, that's what they drink.
So I just said green.
Yeah.
Oh, Greek,
I'm
yeah.
pretty sure it's,
Yeah,
it's
Greek.
that.
In 1880, Greeks who loved the real taste of Ozo preferred the special Ozo product.
I'm pretty sure it's ouzo.
Uzo. Tastes
Oh,
like
the
black
carrot.
licorice.
Yeah, I think I have.
Yeah, it's really good. You often drink it
Carrot has been
cold?
approved. Well, she likes the carrot I picked. So that's good. Oh, the fork again. Did the sink come with like all the little toys as
Yeah.
well? Oh, that's fun.
There was an orange, I think.
Oh,
She chewed up a couple.
She got it. So I get her these little golf balls, you know.
she's trying to drink the water from the nozzle.
That's like it. But cleaning the water, she chewed
Yeah, this is luxury right here.
She's having fun. It's been awesome to take a shower.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Well, she is.
Yeah.
She's got this fun thing. She was fun to show me.
Trail Beach.
I was telling your mom about our crow friend that we have.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
He always washes off his food and
Yeah.
What you doing?
What do?
Huh? What are you doing? It's so funny because sometimes, you know, I'm like making lunch or whatever. And just like we said, what you doing?
Oh.
It's like,
That's so cute.